Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put Marvel Rivals on an SSD. Installing games directly onto a solid-state drive is the most effective method for enhancing your gaming experience. This ensures you benefit from incredibly fast load times and seamless gameplay. We will guide you through the straightforward process, making sure your game runs optimally from the start. Get ready to enjoy Marvel Rivals with superior performance. Before you begin, it is crucial to prepare your solid-state drive. First, check that you have ample free space. Marvel Rivals requires approximately 90 gigabytes. Next, confirm your SSD is formatted correctly, typically using the NTFS file system for Windows. Finally, ensure your computer properly recognizes the drive, making it ready for the installation process. These steps guarantee a smooth setup. Now, let's install Marvel Rivals. Begin by opening your chosen game launcher, like Steam or the Epic Games Store. Find Marvel Rivals in your game library and click the Install button. Crucially, when prompted to choose an installation location, select your solid-state drive from the available options. Confirm your choice and let the launcher download and install all necessary game files directly to your SSD. After installation, launch Marvel Rivals to verify it is indeed running from your solid-state drive. You should immediately notice faster loading times. Take a moment to optimize your in-game settings, balancing visual quality with smooth frame rates. Additionally, ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date for peak performance. With these steps, you are all set to experience Marvel Rivals with superior speed and responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.